Welcome guys, Cream Boss back again with another reaction video to what you call Little Mix Kissing Record Breakers. Honestly God, I saw this video and I was like, oh, next Little Mix game show. So I'm gonna check this out and see what's going on. I don't know what's going on, but it's the title kinda give me a little hint of what's going to happen, but I'm really sure. Let's just watch and see if I'm right. Oh.
Hello guys, we are Little Mix. Welcome. And today we are going to do the most amount of cheek-to-cheek kisses in 30 seconds. Now,
Oh, so they're actually gonna kiss.
116 kisses by.
Well, I was kind of right, but I thought they was gonna like kiss on the mouth. I don't know. I just thought something weird was gonna happen.
Couple in 2013. Wow. So girls, how are you feeling about this today?
Oh, it is a game show.
Quite nervous. Don't know if my neck can move that fast.
Yeah, me neither. I think you'll be great at this. I always
Okay.
catch you.
Yo, Perry literally preparing for the kiss, bruh.
Here we go. Right, the rules. Whoa. Before we start, don't get carried away. Here we go. So the
Yo,
rules
Perry
are,
is like waiting for it, bruh.
kissers must kiss their partner on each cheek, alternatively.
Okay, yeah.
Whatever
That's fine.
Okay,
Got
I'm-
this.
okay.
Bear in
Oh
mind, my
no!
girls, we've got all our
One of the
makeup
rules
on.
says strictly no air kissing.
Well, break the rules.
Sorry, we'll do both
No, you gotta
makeup
kiss
on.
directly. What's going on, bruh?
Do that.
Okay, and the last one, 2 kisses on the same cheek, and you are disqualified.
That's fine.
Okay, I'm just gonna stand and take it.
Ready?
Oh, God.
Go! Right, this. Oh, what the hell are you doing? You're letting Jean down.
You know what'd be funny if they accidentally just kiss, bruh? That would be like, oh my god. Hello. It would surprise me if they do, man. Girls are kind of
Brilliant.
funny that way, even when they're friends.
Okay, so girls, you've actually managed to get 35 kisses.
That was
That
good.
is a failed attempt. Seeing as the first
Really?
one went terrible, we are going to do a second attempt. Because I know Little Mix can do this. We're very competitive. Yeah. You're not going to let me down, are you?
This seemed like they were much younger. This seemed like probably
No, Perry is just
Right.
they look like they're probably like 23 year or
We're going to close
around
the
that
eyes
age,
because these
or
two-
24 year.
So passionate.
It looked like they were way
No, I
younger
would say
here,
that it,
and Jesse looked way younger too.
Focus more.
Okay, right,
Yeah.
I'm focused.
Right.
Move of the afro as well. Like,
On count of 3.
right, let's go.
3, 2, 1, kiss away.
Man, that's supposed to feel weird as hell. It does. Oh, she's not even looking. Come on, let's go. 35, 30.
Do it, go.
Yes.
Keep going.
40.
Don't
She probably can go to
open
60.
Imagine
I'm
that.
saying 60. 66. Oh my god.
Yes,
She gonna go to 100? Oh my god, she's going, bruh.
You can do it. Yeah.
She's still going. Oh my god. Oh shit. That's 2 more to 100.
Feel that my ladies got
98.
98 kisses.
2 more left to 100, bro. She does go again. I know she was gonna stop midway and she continued.
Bye, everybody. Thank you for
Honestly,
tuning
God, I
in.
thought it was gonna be
You
like
had
kiss on the
fun.
cheeks, like directly kiss on the cheeks, but it's just ear kisses. Oh my God, they got guys doing it. That's weird. Anyway, guys, this is the inauguration video. Peace out.